Hey everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we covered Terraform Locals in theory. Now let's actually build it live on AWS Real S3 Bucket, real code. Let's go. So I have already uploaded all the notes and share the link in the video description. Also added the PPT as well, so you can go through it. So let's open the VS Studio Code. So previous video we have done the demo on data source basics. You can go and watch into the playlist. This is the locals tf demo. So I've created a folder local.tf demo. Let's create our 4 or 5 file: main.tf, variable.tf, output.tf. Then we have a 2 more file, locals.tf, where we define our locals, and last one is provider.tf. So let's start from the variable itself, as we always do. So we will define few variable region, and give some description, AWS region, and then give some type. Type will be means data type is a string, and you can give default value, that is US East 1. And we are going to create S3 bucket only, so according to that we are defining our variable. Let's create another variable called environment and give some description for the deployment environment. You can give any description. Type is string and default value is dev. Let's say dev. Next variable is your application name, app name, and give some description. This is for the application name. Then same type, string, and then some value. Default is, let's give a name, tf app. Okay, so Terraform app, I give the default value. So next we have to create the provider. So Terraform, here we need the required provider, into that AWS, and AWS, after that we have to pass the equal and then curly braces. Then it asks for 2 argument. First is hashicorp plus AWS, and second one is version, that is 5.0. and then we have to create the provider block. The provider is AWS, and it asks for 1 parameter, that is region, and we are using the variable var.region. Okay, so provider block is done. So this is about the provider.tf. So variable done, provider done. Next is local. So let's start from the locals.tf. So locals, we are going to create the multiple local variable, so that's why I use the locals keyword here. Okay, so first is env. Env will be var.environment, and same app equals to var.app name, and then we can use some prefix for while we create the S3 bucket. So it will be like dollar, then curly braces. Okay, let me disable the extension. Let me restart the VS Studio, save it, save the files, and reopen it. Code, sorry, file, open recent Terraform demo. Okay, now it's look correct. So next is locals. So you have to write the locals block. So we are going to define multiple local name, so that's why I use the plural, that is locals. So first is env. Env will be var.environment. Next is app equals to var.app name. Next is prefix. So we are going to use some prefix, and it is like dollar and curly braces, local.app, then underscore, sorry, hyphen, and then dollar. Use other value variable, this one. So locals.env, local.env. See, this is the single, so that's why we use the local here. If it's plural, then we use the locals. So local.env is used. Next we are adding some tags. So common tags equal. First one is environment. Environment will be local.env. Same app equals to local.app, and you can add the one more tag, ManagedBy equals to Terraform. So local is done. So this is about locals. Terraform. Okay, so Terraform, this is done. Next is main.tf. So we are just creating S3 bucket for this demo. So it will be short. Resource, you have to give the resource type AWS S3 Bucket, and then you can give local name, that is my S3 Bucket, or give the demo S3 Bucket. After that, curly braces, and you have to give two parameters. First is bucket. I have disabled the extension. Actually, I have already disabled. So we are going to use the prefix. So which is prefix? This one, local.prefix. Copy this one, local.prefix, and it should be into the curly braces with the dollar sign. Curly braces and with the dollar sign. And after that, put the hyphen here and give some name, demo, or give some unique name, Python DevOps demo. Okay, just leave it. So I give the local prefix. It should be local.app hyphen, sorry, local.env hyphen local.app, and then hyphen Python DevOps hyphen demo. Okay. Next, we have to add the tags only. Tags, not the common tags, only tags. Tags equal local dot common tags. Just save it. And last one is, so this is about the main.tf. This is done. Last one is output.tf. For the output.tf, we are outputting the bucket name only, but output bucket name. Then curly braces. Then you have to give the value. Value will be, just copy from here, from the main AWS S3 bucket. Copy this thing and paste it here. Then copy the local name. Sorry, copy this one and dot. Then demo S3 bucket, and then give this bucket. So it will fetch the bucket name. If you want the tags, so you can just copy this thing and change it here, bucket tags, and same this one. Just give the tags. That's all into the output file. So all the file is done now. Main.tf is done, variable done, output is completed, locals also, and provider. Let's enable the extension then. Enable, and let's see if we got some error. Okay, we got the error. And dot, okay, remove this dot, just save it. Okay, now we have to run our commands. Just copy this path, copy path, open the terminal, increase the size of the terminal. Okay, then let's go inside the folder, cd, paste, clear, do ls. So we have all 5 files. Now we have to run all the command one by one. Terraform init. Okay, there is a one more error. Let's fix it. Into the provider, forgot to apply the greater than sign. Just save it. Now clear Terraform init. So start initializing all the plugin and initialize the Terraform itself. So Terraform has been successfully initialized. Next, Terraform plan. Let's clear first one time. Run Terraform validate. It will validate the syntax. So validate it successfully. Then run the Terraform plan. See, we got all the tags. App is tf app, dev, and the managed by Terraform. And it is tf app, dev, hyphen Python DevOps, demo. Okay. So we got the bucket name and all the things. Let's run the apply command. Terraform apply hyphen auto approve. Okay, don't use auto approve. I know what is going to be created, so that's why I've added the auto approve here. So see, bucket is created. Bucket name is this, and tags are tf app, and it is in the map function because it is basically a map. So let's see into our console. So I'm already logging into the console. Let's just refresh it. So we got our bucket tf app hyphen demo hyphen Python DevOps demo. Okay, and what we have mentioned into the main.tf, we have added this prefix, and this prefix pickups the local.tf, that is local.app, and app come from var.app name, and app name value is this one, tf app. So it should be tf app, then hyphen that environment will be dev. The environment is dev. Okay, so tf app hyphen dev hyphen Python DevOps demo. Let's see, the tags are there. I think into the properties we have the tags. Yeah, we have the 3 tags here. So that's how we can use the locals in case of Terraform. And if we are created some other resources, we can use the same thing into the single line and it apply the same tag in other resources as well. Just you have to use this single line. So in that case we use the locals. So that's all. That's how local come into the action. One change in local, everything updated. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Next up we are going deeper into Terraform. Drop any question in the comment. See you in the next one. Thank you.